this assessment asks us to tell how many pairs of electrons are on the oxygen based on the formal charge shown. It's assumed that we will always show non-zero formal charges, so the indicated oxygen with no formal charge present indicates a formal charge of 0. If we think about the formal charge equation, we know that to calculate the formal charge on oxygen, it's going to be the number of valence electrons in a neutral oxygen atom, 6, minus 1/2 of the shared electrons. In this case, the oxygen has 2 bonds for a total of 4 shared electrons, minus the unshared, which is the number we're trying to get right now, so we'll call that x. And we can set that equal to the formal charge on the oxygen, which is 0. If we rearrange this equation, 6 minus 1/2 of 2, 1/2 of 2, or I'm sorry, 6 minus 1/2 of 4, 1/2 of 4 is 2, 6 minus 2, 4 minus x equals 0, when x equals 4. So there are 4 unshared electrons on the oxygen, meaning that that oxygen has 2 lone pairs. And so we can draw them in here and here. Now, over time, we'll just start to understand that oxygen with 2 bonds that is neutral will have 2 lone pairs, but if we want to calculate it, we can use algebra. And who doesn't love using algebra to solve organic chemistry problems?